welcomes to HB Kapiya School. I am Nisha James and I am taking Biology Practical. Today we are going to do another 11th standard Biology Practical, that is to study the rate of transpiration. So you have already studied what is transpiration in 10th standard. So what is transpiration? Transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial organs of a plant. So by this practical, we will came to know really transpiration is occurring in plant and how we can measure the rate of transpiration. You know that in plants, the leaves are the most important aerial organ through which transpiration is taking place. So students, now I am starting the practical number 20 to study the rate of transpiration. Normally, the transpiration experiment we have to perform in a live plant. But as we are in lab, I am going to show you the experiment in a particular leaf. Okay? So students, now I am starting the practical. So first I am going to introduce what are the various materials required for this practical. So first one, you need an Asopalum leaf. Why I am taking Asopalum leaf? Because this is a lengthy leaf, so we will get a good measure of rate of transpiration. Then you need cobalt chloride. So this is the dry cobalt chloride form. We have to make a solution of cobalt chloride. That solution I have already made in a Petri dish. So the pink color solution you can find, that is the Petri dish. Now you need filter paper. You have to cut the filter paper in thin long strips. Okay. After that, what you have to do is you have to dip this filter paper strips in the solution of cobalt chloride for some period of time. Because we need cobalt chloride paper, so we don't have any ready-made cobalt chloride paper. Instead of that, we are making it instantly. So what we have done, we have cut the filter paper in long strips and then we have dipped in cobalt chloride solution. When you dip the filter paper in this cobalt chloride solution, the color will turn to pink. Okay, now you need to slide. Okay, so what is the use of the slide that I will explain gradually, and two rubber band and a forceps, okay, and jug of water if it is needed. Okay, so these are the various materials required for the practical. Now I am starting the practical. As I already told you that the rate of transpiration can be easily measured in a live plant. But as we are in lab, I am performing it in a fresh Asopalum leaf. So first you have to take a single Asopalum leaf. Okay. Now you have to clean it properly, and after that you have to take this filter paper strips. But you can't apply the filter paper strips directly. So what you have to do is, to prepare a typical cobalt chloride paper, you have to take this filter paper out of this cobalt chloride solution. Now you have to dry it. So how you will do drying? With the help of a electric heater. Okay, so this is an electric heater. In this electric heater we will do heating. So the wet paper will turn to dry. When it becomes dry, the color will turn to the blue shade. Okay, so now I am going to do that. Okay. So now the heater is on. Now I am going to keep this filter paper strip one by one on the surface of this. It will take some time, then only the paper will dry and the color will turn to blue. Okay, so you have to do it patiently, then only you will get a good result. Okay, so it will take nearly 2 minutes to turn the color and to get it dry. If it is properly dry, then only you will get blue color. Okay. So students, now I have dried the particular filter paper dipped in cobalt chloride solution. Now the color has turned to blue. Okay, so first earlier it was of white color, now it has turned to blue. So you can find the color difference. Now what you have to do is, you have to take the clean Asopalab leaf and on both the side, one on the lower side and one on the upper side. Okay, you have to keep this cobalt chloride paper on both the surface of the leaf. But you know that the leaf is very slender. So when you keep the filter paper, it will not keep straight. So what you have to do is, you have to keep the slide on both the sides so that the paper may remain intact and straight with the particular leaf, so that we will get a good rate of transpiration. After that, you have to take a rubber band. You have to tie this rubber band on this both the end, one on the upper end and one on the lower end. While tying, you have to take care, otherwise the leaf will get tear. Okay. Now I have tied it. Now you have to wait for some time. After some time, so in this way you have to tie it. Okay. Now after some time, we have to wait nearly half an hour. After some time, depending on the rate of transpiration. The rate of transpiration is depending on so many factors. Of that, one of the important factor is environmental temperature and humidity. So depending on the temperature condition, the rate of humidity, the rate of transpiration will also vary. After some period of time, you can find that the blue color paper will turn to pink again. So why it is so? Because during transpiration, water vapors are coming out. This water vapor will react with the cobalt chloride solution and the blue color will turn to pink. So that is our result. So when you look at, because we have kept the paper both on lower side, lower epidermis and upper epidermis. On the lower epidermis, the paper will be dark pink, and on the upper epidermis, the paper will be light pink. So why this difference in color? Because this Asopalab leaf is a dicot leaf, so more amount of stomata is there on the lower epidermis. So naturally, depending on the number of stomata, the rate of transpiration will also increase. So rate of transpiration is high due to the more number of stomata in the lower epidermis. As a result, the lower epidermis will be dark pink, and the upper epidermis, as it consists of less number of stomata, the rate of transpiration will be less and the color will be light. So you have to wait for nearly half an hour. Okay, so this is very important practical. If this practical is asking for examination, you have to perform it first, because you have to wait for nearly half an hour to get the result. Now this is winter time, so the humid atmosphere, so it will again take time. So that is our practical. I think all of you understood the practical.